Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're turning back, thank you for always coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to revive your old matted synthetic crochet hair. And today I'm using my Free Tress Yaki Bounce 3X crochet hair. I'm trying to preserve my hair extensions since I most likely won't be buying any new hair due to the coronavirus situations. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you do enjoy it. And I hope you guys can use this technique to preserve your crochet extensions during these circumstances. So these extensions already came pre-looped, so I didn't really have to worry about getting the hair all over the place, you know, getting everything unraveled. Some crochet extensions aren't like this, so you might want to try to detangle one at a time. So for this, you're going to need a wide or square bowl. Next, you're going to need a detangling brush, which I bought from the dollar store, a cotton towel, and some fabric softener, which I purchased at the dollar store as well. So I'm starting out by detangling the hair individually. I thought this was pretty time consuming, so I decided to, put 3 or 4 or 5 together and detangle it like that. Now the hair looks wet because it is. I accidentally rinsed it prior, and come to find out it was a little bit easier to detangle. I guess being that the hair was straight, so it didn't really affect the hair or make it more tangled. So if you guys, I don't really recommend it, but it was just a mistake on my end. Now I'm going to just place the bowl into the sink so I can get ready to rinse it and get the fabric softener in. So what you might see me doing is checking to see if the hair is still in the loop. I want to make sure of that so that the hair doesn't get tangled while I am detangling or doing the detangling process. So I just kind of make sure that it's still wrapped and all intact. So this hair comes pre-swooped at the ends, so you might see me putting it in that form when I put it in the bowl. So basically my goal is to maintain that fresh look and also just to avoid any frizziness. So I'm just going to continue detangling the hair until all of it is in the bowl. Now that all the hair is in the bowl and placed neatly, I'm going to start by getting some lukewarm water, just making sure the water is not too hot but not too cold, and just pat the hair. I don't want to detangle it. I don't want to use any additional force on the hair. I just want it to do its thing and just get saturated into the water. Now it's time for the magic to happen. I'm going to add a cupful of fabric softener, and then I'm going to go in with another one just to make sure that I have it all in there and all good. I just want all the fabric softener to penetrate into the hair strands. You want to make sure you get all of the fabric softener that's in the little cup all into the hair. Even if you have to add some water to it, that's okay. Just try to get it all in there. Now that all the fabric softener is in there, you don't want to do too much manipulation to the hair. You just want the hair to do its thing and saturate into the water and into the fabric softener. So I'm aware that this is laundry detergent plus fabric softener, but that's okay. It's still going to work the same. So I'm going to give this process a time. I'm going to put it on 20 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to give it 20 minutes and let it work its magic. So now time is up, the 20 minutes is up. Now I'm just going to go in by rinsing the hair. I'm just going to be patting the hair until all of the soap is out. And I'm just going to keep doing this over and over for about 5 or 6 times. So as I'm doing this, I'm already noticing a big difference in the hair. So at this point, I'm really excited about the result. The hair is looking a lot smoother and also feeling a lot softer. So right now I'm just trying to make sure I get all of the water out of the hair as best as possible before I get it onto the towel. I just want to make sure all of the water is squeezed out. You're going to want to make sure that this is done because you want to be able to detangle through the hair without, water going all over the place. As you can see, the hair is looking so much smoother. As you can see, the hair just glides right through the detangling brush. I was just so excited and so impressed by the results. Like I couldn't even, I was just mind blown. It's like I just bought the hair. It moves, it's full of body, and I'm just loving it. So I'm just taking a detangling brush and going through the hair one last time before I lay it out onto the towel. I want to make sure or if there are any tangles that are left, I just want to make sure they're all out because I will be blow drying afterwards. In the meantime, I'm just going to lay it out onto a towel and just pat dry and make sure any additional water is out. Using my Revlon Turbo blow dryer to blow dry the hair. I don't want to use any combs or anything like that. So I start with the top of the crochet. I want to make sure that the pre-loop part, which I insert into my braids, are dry because I don't want to have that part wet. I don't want to be putting wet crochet into my hair, so I make sure to get the top first and move on to the bottom. So I let the hair blow dry freely. I don't do any additional combing or manipulation. So I'm going to be doing this every 5 or 6 loops of hair, and I'm just going to continue from there. You seen these results? I mean, how amazing. Fabric softener did the work. The ends are flowy, no frizziness, no tangles. The comb just glides right through. My hands glide right through the hair. It's like I took it right out the box. I am so impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any additional questions, comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.